Hey guys, I want to show you this dog bark controller doodad. I have it attached to a little limb, so let me just turn it around and show you. It's by Petsonik, and it has several different ranges depending on how far you want it to control. I will admit here, the reason we got it is because across the street here, through a little corner lot, they have this humongous dog, and he makes such a racket. 5 o'clock every morning, and at dinner time. And yeah, because he's so huge, he's very loud. So we wanted to do something about that, or at least try. So we got this little device here. It works up to 50 feet, depending on the level. You can turn it off. It also has a test mode. And then goes 1, 2, 3 depending on your range. It has a little strap you can attach if you want to. We have it hooked onto a little tiny limb here, just in case it gets knocked out of place. It should hold on okay. Now this part here is the microphone, and over here is where I guess the ultrasonic sound comes out of.
You got it backwards. That's the speaker. On the opposite side is the microphone.
Okay. I got it backwards. Thankfully I have a kid here who pays attention more than I do apparently. So anyway, yeah, you got your test mode and 1, 2, 3 microphone and speaker doodad. So it takes a 9-volt battery is all. We actually thought something might have been wrong at first. Turns out I was using a used battery that one of my kids put back. So popped a new battery in it, no problem at all. Now if you notice, the dog isn't outside over there barking like he always does when we come outside. You just look over there and it looks like his head is just resting on the wall. But anyway, 9-volt, test mode, works up to 50 feet. It says it's waterproof, and I don't know, I'm a little paranoid about that because it's monsoon right here, or now in the desert, and we get some really serious, intense rain. So when the monsoon storm starts, I go ahead and I just take it inside for a little bit. Plastic is a little thin for my liking, but you know, it arrived in one piece. There's no cracks, nothing like that. So I really don't have anything to complain about there. So if you have a dog issue in your neighborhood, you might give this a try.